Hello, my dear friends and respected teachers. I am Nidhi S. Prakashan, study in 8C. Today is T.S. Eliot Day. T.S. Eliot in full form is Thomas T. Eliot, born September 26, 1888, St. Louis, Missouri, U.S., a leader of the modernist movement in poetry in such works as The Waste Land 1922 and The Four Quarters in 1943. Eliot exercised a strong influence on Anglo-American culture from the 1920s until late in the century. The publication of Four Quarters led to his recognition as the greatest living English poet and a man of letters. In 1948, he was awarded both Order of the Merit and the Nobel Prize for Literature. The men who influenced him at Harvard were George Santayana, the philosopher and poet in the Satiric Club. Eliot was to pursue for Carey's editor, dramatist, literary critic, and philosophic poet. He was also a prolific reviewer and essayist in the bold literary criticism and technological philosophy. In 1919, he published poems which containing the poem Gideon and meditative interrogation model of the blank verse. Nothing like this poem appeared in English. The Waste Land is one of my favorite poems. Let's start. With the publication in 1922 of his poem The Waste Land, Eliot won an international reputation. The waste land expressed with great power the disenchantment, disillusionment, and the distress of the period after the World War. In a serious witness loosely linked by the legend of the search for the Grail, it portrays and studies the world of the panicky fuels and the barren lust and of the human beings waiting for something real. The poet's style is highly complex, iterative, and elusive, and the poem provided notes and the reference to explain the work's many qualities and illusion. The scholarly supplement distracted some readers and critics perceiving the true originality of the poem, which lay rather in the rendering of the universal human predicament of man dissolving salvation and its manipulation of language than the life range. In the earlier poems, Eliot had shown himself to be a master of the poetic phrase. The Waste Island showed him to be an addition of metrist of great virtuosity, capable of astonishing modulation ranging from the element to the conversational. Eliot was unqualified by any other 20th century poet in the ways in which commanded the attention. He died on January 4, 1965, London, England. Thank you.